When it comes to making meal prep and cooking an enjoyable, stress-free experience, versatility and convenience are key. This Kooc 10-in-1 slow cooker with a 6-quart capacity is the appliance you've been waiting for. Imagine combining multiple kitchen gadgets into one sleek and powerful device. This electric Dutch oven can do it all. With its wide array of cooking functions and stunning design, it's perfect for everything from slow cooking to sautéing, braising, and beyond. Let's dive into the details of why this multifunctional, user-friendly kitchen appliance is a must-have in your home. Key features and benefits. Number 1. 10-in-1 versatility. This Kooc 10-in-1 slow cooker is designed to replace a range of traditional kitchen appliances. With its 10 cooking functions, it can tackle a variety of cooking tasks such as slow cook, perfect for soups, stews, and tenderizing meats over a long period. Sear, sauté, brown your meats or sauté veggies with ease before slow cooking for added flavor. Braise, great for slow braising meats, keeping them tender and flavorful. Bake casseroles, bread, or even a cake. Steam vegetables or dumplings for a healthy meal option. Simmer, gently simmer sauces, stocks, or broths for hours. Fry up crispy snacks or appetizers. Warm, keep food warm for hours without overcooking it. Rice cooker, cook rice and grains perfectly every time. Yogurt maker, make fresh, homemade yogurt effortlessly. This appliance truly replaces the need for multiple gadgets cluttering your countertop, streamlining your cooking experience and saving valuable kitchen space. Number 2. Easy-to-use control panel. Not only is the Kooc 10-in-1 slow cooker powerful, but it's also incredibly easy to use. With a simple, user-friendly control panel, this electric Dutch oven is designed to work for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, the intuitive settings will make your cooking experience seamless. Just select your desired function, set the temperature and timer, and let the appliance do the hard work. No complicated buttons or confusing settings. Just easy-to-understand controls for the perfect meal every time. Number 3. Convenient timer and delay start features. One of the most impressive features of this slow cooker is the timer and delay start functions. Imagine coming home after a long day to a hot, freshly cooked meal waiting for you. With these features, you can prepare your ingredients in the morning, set the timer to start cooking at the perfect time, and return to a ready-to-serve dish without any extra effort. Whether you're slow cooking a stew, braising a roast, or steaming veggies, the delay start function ensures your food will be ready when you are. Number 4. Large capacity for family meals or meal prepping. The Kooc 10-in-1 slow cooker boasts a generous 6-quart capacity, making it ideal for large meals. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or preparing meals for the week, this slow cooker can handle it all. You can easily cook a whole chicken, large batches of soup, or multiple servings of your favorite meals. This capacity also makes it perfect for entertaining, as it allows you to prepare a large dish and keep it warm for serving. If you like to meal prep, this slow cooker will become your new best friend in the kitchen. Number 5. Stylish design. Who says kitchen appliances can't be beautiful? The Kooc 10-in-1 slow cooker features a stunning blue and white color combination that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its sleek, modern design will complement any decor, and it's the type of appliance you'll be proud to display on your countertop. It's not just about functionality. This Dutch oven will elevate the style of your kitchen while delivering powerful, reliable performance. Number 6. Self-basting lid for enhanced cooking. The Kooc 10-in-1 slow cooker comes equipped with a self-basting lid, which helps to retain moisture in your dishes and keep them tender. The design of the lid ensures that condensation is evenly distributed back into the food, enhancing flavors and ensuring that meats, vegetables, and stews stay moist and flavorful throughout the cooking process. This feature is especially useful for slow cooking, ensuring you get the perfect results every time. Number 7. High power for fast cooking. With 1500 watts of power, this electric Dutch oven can get hot quickly and maintain consistent heat throughout the cooking process. Whether you're searing meat, sautéing veggies, or slow cooking a large meal, you'll appreciate the efficient performance and fast cooking times, ensuring you don't have to wait forever to get your meal ready. Don't miss out on this versatile, powerful, and stylish appliance. it's sure to become your new go-to for everyday cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.